Hi Falcons, this is Mrs. Lamb from Team 7 Silver, and today you're going to be practicing the formula of area that we learned yesterday, pi r squared, and there's going to be a practice in Schoology for you to do that I want to show you and introduce to you and go over a couple of the problems so that you'll be ready to do that. So the first type of problem you might see shows a picture of a circle, and you're going to have to determine, it says calculate the radius, diameter, and area. Express your answer in terms of pi. Remember how we did that the other day? 4 pi would be 4 pi, and express your answer rounded to the nearest tenth using 3.14 for pi. So when I look at this circle, I need to determine what it is that they gave me. Well, this line goes all the way across, so that would be my diameter. So I'm going to slide to a new screen so that you can see this same problem, and we will work through it. If I can get it to clear up here. There we go. So I have a line that goes all the way across. That's my diameter is 9. So if my diameter is 9, half of that would be my radius. So you can divide by 2. You may know that half of 9 is 4.5. Okay, and then my area in terms of pi. So area is pi times the radius squared. So I need to know what r squared would be, right? Which would be 4.5 times 4.5. In your calculator, there's two different ways to do this. You can do 4.5 times 4.5. You get 20.25. Or you can do 4.5 and hit this x squared button. That squares any number. And I got 20.25. It was the same thing, okay? So either 4.5 times 4.5 or 4.5 squared. So this is r squared, right? So in terms of pi, it's pi times r squared. So it'd be 20.25 pi. And then rounded to the nearest tenth, I'm going to take that 20.25 times pi, which is 3.14. And we're rounding to the nearest tenth, so that 8 tells me to move the 5 up to a 6. So it's going to be 63.6. And these were centimeters, so it would be centimeters squared. All right, for a moment, let's go back to our practice. Okay, and the next problem has you matching. You are given choices at the bottom. I suggest you find the area of each of these circles first, and then just match the answers into the correct box. Okay, and the next problem shows another diameter because it's going all the way across. So let's go on. Here's another problem. Same thing, we're going to calculate the radius, diameter, and area. So let's go back to my problem. Here was our picture. This time, this is only halfway across, so this would be my radius is 11. What would the diameter be? Well, it'd be twice as big, so it would be 22. Okay, if I'm going to write area in terms of pi, I need to know what r squared is. So r squared is going to be 11 times 11, which is 121. And then we can write it here. So pi times r squared would be 121 pi. And then the area rounded to the nearest tenth, I take 121 times 3.14, and you get 379.94. So the 4 says stay at a 9, so it's going to be 379.9. And I don't remember what this one was. I believe it was meters. Let me check back real quick. And yes, it was meters. So we're going to do meters squared. Okay, so this is all based around using the formula A equals pi r squared. That's how we find the area of a circle. Okay, coming back to our assignment, you have some other problems with pictures. You'll work them all the same way. And then you get to some with words. I suggest when you have words that you draw a picture of your circle and you work it out just like I did on the sheet. Okay, work out the problem and then just insert the answers. Here's one about the top of a pretzel can. We're going to find the area of the top. So again, read carefully, see if you have a radius or a diameter, and then use your formula. Here's another one. Spray from a rotating sprinkler makes a circle with a 20-foot diameter. So again, find the area in terms of pi and the area rounded to the nearest tenth. All right, any questions? Please check in with your teacher on Wednesday in the Google Meets for help. Have a good day, Falcons.